Let's start by drawing a round face with long hair. Add a little crown on top of her head. Then draw a big, beautiful dress that spreads wide at the bottom. Now color the princess's dress pink and white. Her hair can be brown and the crown yellow or gold. Make her cheeks a little pink to look sweet. Perfect! Our princess looks kind and lovely, ready for a royal party. Great job, you made a pretty princess friend. First, draw a round face with a mustache. Add a crown on top and short hair. Then, draw his clothes with a cape, a belt, and shoes. Now color the king's outfit gray and red. The cape can be red with blue inside, the crown yellow, and the belt brown. His hair can be brown too. Wonderful! Our king looks strong and friendly, standing proudly in his royal clothes. Well done, you made a brave king friend!